Eric Newman with NewmanSellsHomes.com here with your 2024 real estate update. In 2023, we saw fewer than 4 million sales in the United States, which represents the lowest number in 30 years. In 1993, there were 260 million people living in the United States, and today we have closer to 340 million, making last year a truly record low year of sales. That's why there is a pent-up desire to make a move in 2024. Now, the largest group desiring to make a move are the millennials. There are 72 million millennials, of which 45.5 are between the ages of 26 and 35 years old. 26 is important because that's the age when most people move out of their parents' homes, and 35 is the age when most people buy their first home. This is why we have the largest potential buyer pool in U.S. history. Now, couple that with the fact that mortgage interest rates are decreasing, making for better buying power, and we are also seeing unseasonably warm winter weather here in Minnesota, making our spring market robust already in January and the beginning of February. If you are thinking about a move in 2024, I would like to talk with you about the unique opportunities that this market brings. Even if you simply want an informal conversation to talk about next steps for your future, I would love to have that conversation. Thank you for making me your trusted real estate advisor, and I'll look forward to connecting with you again very soon.